We welcome you to the physics laboratory of Gyan Niketan Girls School. Today our topic is on tracing the path of a ray of light passing through a rectangular glass slab. This experiment is presented by Mr. Satish Kumar Sinha and assisted by Mona Hassan. The materials required are a drawing board, a drawing pin, a paper pin, a glass slab, a plain sheet of white paper, a protector, a scale, a pencil, and a eraser.
Good morning, students. Now today your practical is tracing the path of a ray of light passing through a rectangular glass slab for different angle of incidence. Measure the angle of incidence, angle of refraction, and angle of emergence. The apparatus required are drawing board, glass slab, scale, protector, 4 sharp pins, white sheet, and pencil. All we see here, this is the drawing board, and first we place the one white sheet of paper. This is the white sheet of paper. Now we place the one rectangular glass slab. Now we find out that just to draw the boundary line of this glass slab. Now we make a 90-degree angle for drawing the normal. Here we have to make the angle 35-degree angle of incidence. 10, 20, 30, 35. After that you take the 4 pins. You see the pins are there. These are the L pins, and you first to draw at the just near the point of incidence. Second is
हम संस्कृत से यार बोल रहे हैं ज्ञान निकेतन से बोल रहे हैं संस्कृत से
now you place this glass slab. Now you fix
संस्कृत में
another pin such that the image of these 2 pins and third pins are in a straight line. Now this is the 4th pin. We have to fix such that the image of these 2 pins, 3rd pin and 4th pins are in a straight line. हो जाएगा 2 मिनट हो जाएगा. So when we see from this, all the 2 image of the 2 pins and 2 pins are in a straight line. These 4 lines. After that we remove the glass slab and we encircle the pins like that, and then we draw the straight line. Here again one normal is there. Now we meet these 2 points. So this is the, suppose pin P, this pin is Q, this is R and S. PQ is a incident ray and QR is the refracted ray and RS is the emergent ray. This is the normal N1 and this is the normal N2. Now angle between normal and incident ray is called angle of incidence. Angle between refracted ray and normal is called angle of refraction. These two lines are normals are parallel, so this angle is equal to this angle. And angle between emergent ray and normal is called angle of emergence. Now we measure the angle. This is 35 degree and this is, it is also 35 degree. And when we measure the angle of reflection, 10, 20, this is 22 degree. So here we will get from this figure angle of incidence is equal to 35 degree, angle of emergence is equal to 35 degree and angle of refraction is equal to 22 degree. Now you fill in the, see the observation table. Here we take the first set of reading. Angle of incidence is here 35 degree, angle of reflection 22 degree, angle of emergence 35 degree and angle I minus, that is angle of incidence minus angle of reflection. The angle of that is 35 minus 35, 0 degree. Similarly we can take the another incident rays and we can find out the angle of incidence and angle of reflection and corresponding value of the angle of emergence. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video.